I'm Ellen Withrow. I ran for county treasurer and state treasurer, and I was U.S. treasurer. I'm the only person that's held all three positions. And it all started when I was running for the local school board, for Elgin School Board. And I had never thought of running for office. There were no women on the board, and two of the teachers came to see me and asked me to run for office. And I've thought about this so many times because I don't think I would have ever run for office if somebody hadn't asked me to do it. I thought about it, and then I ran, and I won. I ran very well. And I was fascinated with it after I got into being on the board. And then I ran for clerk of courts and lost. And next I ran for county treasurer and won. And I took care of the people's money and collected and protected their money. And then I ran for state treasurer. I was state treasurer for 3 terms for 12 years. I did the same there. I collected and protected the state's money. And then Bill Clinton, President Clinton, appointed me U.S. treasurer. And that was a great job. I said, the higher you go, the better it gets. And it was a little different. I was manufacturing money there. I was over the Bureau of Engraving and Printing and the mint, and I marketed the savings bonds. And it was very busy. We produced $541 million a day. Most of that was replacement money because the money had to be shredded when it got too old, and so we had a lot of traveling involved and meeting a lot of people. And we had the Olympics in 1996 in Atlanta, and at that time I was selling the Olympic coins all over the world, I might add. Congress told us how many coins we had to produce, and so we had to produce far too many. And I said, well, I don't know if we're ever going to be able to sell all of these. And so we decided to sell them in other countries, which we had never done before. So I traveled everywhere selling Olympic coins, and we sold them all. Japan bought the most, and we had the Olympics. And I did not go to the Olympics because somebody set off a bomb the first night, and I thought, no, I don't think I want to go. But anyway, back to people running for office. We have to have good people run for office, and I think it's so important to encourage people. If you see somebody that you think would be a good person in office, you should encourage them to run. And it takes encouragement, because it's not an easy thing to do. It takes a lot of nerve to run for office, and it takes a lot of your time and a lot of money. And it was always very exciting to me, because I loved talking to people and listening to people and hearing what they thought about different things. And it was always fun, because I'd go home and I'd think, I don't know, that's kind of a crazy idea. And then I'd think about it a while, and I think, no, that could work. You know, you listen to people and you got ideas, and it was always good. But anyway, I really enjoyed being in public office. It was something that I had never planned to do, but It turned out to be a great time in my life.